Hey guys, welcome to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the latest Hot Wheels Fast and Furious series, Hot Wheels Premium. So this one has named as Fast Rewind. So I don't know much about the what you call the history and the reason to make this stuff. I think Fast Rewind means they are just trying to pretend the previous edition of the real car. As an example, this is the Nissan Silvia CSP 311, but in Fast and Furious actual movie they have used the Silvia, the latest version. So this is the old version, so that's why I think they named this set as Fast Rewind. As an example, you guys can remember in Tokyo Drift 1 Nissan Fairlady Z. So this is the old Fairlady Z, not the one in the movie. So I guess that's the reason for the name of this set, Fast Rewind. Alright, I'm based in Australia, Melbourne, so I think these ones started hitting Australian stores very recently, but in the other part of the world they might get this in later this year. So anyways, let's unbox these stuff and let's see how good is these ones are. Alright. Alright, as you saw, I just cut open the blisters like this so I can store them back in these cards. So first, let's see about this card art. This is fabulous, fantastic. This is a bit similar to the second set of Fast and Furious series. Like, can you guys remember the one, if you put the cards together, it creates a one whole big photo, but this is not like that, but similar artwork because it's all about the nighttime and stuff. So yes, beautiful card art by Hot Wheels again. And let's check the back side. So it says the Fast and Furious logo here, Fast Rewind, that's the series name, 1 out of 5. So this is the car in this card. This is Mazda RX-3. So, and you can see all these other versions as well. So all the bubbly over here, just we don't need that stuff. So let's check about the car. Whoa. Wow, this is so nice. It has a metal base. It says Mazda RX-3. Nice wheels, real riders, all the rear details. See the side tempos. It has this Mazda Superco logo as well. You can see, I'm not sure because today I'm recording from my GoPro, so it won't have much super close-up, super macro modes. So here's the front grille. Wow, it's perfect. There you go. So I'll show you the real first version of this car. I just found this photo in the internet. There you go. This is the car in the Series 2 Fast and Furious, and that's the exact replica of the car in the movie. So this one is the older version. There you go. So that's what this series all about. So I will leave this one aside. Let's talk about number 2. This is Skyline C210. Beautiful. If you can remember this one, they have produced this one in their Japan Historic Series 2 as well. So nice casting. I love this one. Let's open. So same card art, just the car, just they change the car in the background. That's it. Metal base. Nissan Skyline C10. Nice. I like this yellowish color. They have done a good job. And see the front grille, all the details are in there. Nice wheels. I like this low stance, you know, it has very, there you go, they have lowered the car as well. Wow, perfect piece. Again, I'll show you the previous version of this one. This is the Skyline GTR R32. See, this is the car in the movie, so they just made the old version of that one. That's it. So, all right. Number three is Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX. All right, this is the replica of famous Paul Walker's R34, I think, because the decors are pretty much similar to that one. This one has the metal base as well, but blue color, so it doesn't have the name, but it has all these base details. Nice logos, nice. It has the number plate as well, Toyota Tires logo. Details, see the front details. There's a small 370. What is that? All right, the small details over there. Pretty cool, nice casting. All right, I'll show you the exact one of this one. There you go. Alright, so I'm showing this stuff in my screen is from hwcollectorsnews.com website. So I just found out it's easy to get those photos through the internet than showing my old collection. So this is the number 4 of the series, Nissan Valet DC. If you guys can remember, in Tokyo Drift, they have used the Valet DC as the drift car inside that building car park. So this is the Valet DC old version, but check this out. How good is that? Oh, in this side there are no details, in this side there are heaps of details. Oh, nice. Alright, last but not least, this is Nissan Silvia SP311. So this is a debut, I guess. I haven't seen this in Hot Wheels before. Nice casting, excellent. Metal base. See, it is bit it is not wide as the other cars. It's bit less wide than the other cars, but this one is pretty cool. Nice details, nice rear light details. Oh, well done, Hot Wheels. Job well done. All right, so time to show you guys the exact. So this is the previous Nissan Valet DC version. That's not a Hot Wheels Premium, but it came from the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious mainline series. And then this is the Nissan Silvia S15 2002. This is from the first Fast and Furious series, Premium series. Alright, so guys, that's it from the center. I'll do some photo shoot, do a photo shoot with these beautiful castings and upload to my Instagram page. Please follow my Instagram page, Diecast Beast, and follow my Facebook page as well. And please hit subscribe button, like button, make some comments. Yep, I'll see you with another video soon. Bye.